Welcome to our website from scratch using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for Beginners course. Within the upcoming lessons, we're going to be showing you how you too can build a website from scratch quickly and easily. All of the source code is also included to get you started quickly. We're going to be showing you how you can build navigation bar, also use JavaScript to apply scroll spy so that the user knows which section they're on, and have multiple sections with background images, also showing you how to construct and structure a website, adding in placeholder content, and a whole lot more. This course is taught by an instructor with many years of web development experience, ready to help you learn how to build websites with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Friendly support is always available within the Q&A section. So what are you waiting for? Join now and see what you can build using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.